Hello students, today I am going to start a new chapter to you, and this chapter is related to the branch of algebra in mathematics, and it is very simple chapter for any student to understand. Unless you are clear with the concepts, the problems you cannot do it. So your concepts have to be very much clear. So I am sure you are listening carefully with pen and paper in hand, and you may note down the definitions by pausing the video. The name of the chapter is sets. Alright, so before I move forward, let us state the definition of set. Definition of set. What is a set? See, generally we say, a set of boys sitting in a bench, or a set of people going on the road, or a set of oranges, or we use this generally in our day-to-day languages. But now we have to define what a set is. So the definition goes this way. Definition of set is: a set is a well-defined collection of objects. A set is a well-defined collection of objects. Now you can give various examples. I can give an example stating set of alphabets. Set of alphabets, or I can simply write A, E, I, O, U. I am sure you must be knowing what does A, E, I, O, U mean. It is nothing but set of vowels. Alright. Why only alphabets? You can have tomorrow a set writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can say set of numbers less than 6. So like that, I need to have one property. Here in this case they were numbers. Here in this case they were vowels. So like that, well-defined collection of objects is very important. Now again, I am stressing on this well-defined. If I ask you a list of batsmen or set of batsmen in India, so I will say Sachin Tendulkar, and then Kohli, right, and Robin Uthappa. I can write these names, all right. So set of cricketers or set of batsmen means I can write. But if I ask you set of best batsmen, if I use the word set of best batsmen, I cannot write the set, because for me what is best? Best means what? Best in test cricket, best in 2020 match, best in one day international, or best in dressing, or best in appearance, we do not know. So when I said set of best batsmen, what is important here is I have to define what that best is. Unless I define what that best is, I cannot go further and write set. Like that, if I ask you set of beautiful girls in your class, the moment I say set of beautiful girls in your class, there will be a big fight. Everybody feels they are beautiful, is it not? So here we need to define what beautiful is. For me, somebody is beautiful, but the same person may not be beautiful for you. So here the definition of beautiful is to be defined. So that's why, my dear children, it is very important I have used the word well defined. So that beautiful has to be defined. Or if I say set of intelligent students in the class. Now if I say intelligent student, I need to define what intelligence is. Can you define intelligence? No, you cannot define right now intelligence. So you cannot write that set. So hence it is very clear, a set is a well-defined collection of objects, and that definition has to be well-defined. It's only then you can write the sets. So I am very clear to explain you the concept. You can go through various examples and write the examples by your own. So I repeat the definition: set is a well-defined collection of objects. And before I move forward, these sets are generally represented by they are represented by capital letters. They are represented by what? Capital letters, right? That is, I can say set A, set B, set X, set Y. So generally we use capital letters to denote sets. Also sets are written using curly braces or curly brackets, right? You can also call them as curly brackets or flower braces. This is used to represent a set. This is two braces, they will come in pairs. So these things are necessary for anybody to know what set is, how a set is represented, and how you use what kind of brackets you use. You don't use parenthesis to define a set. You always use a flower brackets or curly braces to define or to write a set. All right. And apart from that, the elements of the set, the elements of a set are always separated by commas, very, very important. If I write 1 2 3 4 5, it makes no sense. I need to have flower braces, and every element I must separate using flower braces. If I don't use commas, what does it mean? Suppose I say 1 comma 2 comma and I leave it. It means there is 1, there is 2, and this 3 4 will become 34. It is not 3 comma 4. So make sure that when you are writing a set, you will have well-defined set. You will use flower braces. You will use a capital letter to denote a set. You will have to use the comma. To separate the elements of a set. So I am sure you are clear with the entire concept of set. Now, since you are very clear with the concept of set, what is important for you to know further is to know how a set is represented. My dear children, a set is represented in two ways. Representation of a set will occur in two ways. What are those? The first one, this is representation. Representation of a set can happen in two ways. The first one is rooster form of set, and the second one is set builder form of set. One is rooster form of set, and second one is what? Set builder form of set. What do you mean by rooster form of set? I will tell you. If you express a set directly, for example, I write 1 2 3 4 and I separate them using commas. Any set which is expressed directly in terms of the elements of the set is called as a rooster form of set. Now, what is important when we are dealing with rooster form of set is the order of the elements is not necessary. You can write in any order. I can write 4 3 2 1, or I can write 3 1 2 4. So there is order plays no importance. The elements of the set may follow any particular order, but what is important is they should be separated by commas. They should be written directly, right? So that is called rooster form of set. What is a rooster form of set? When a set is expressed directly in terms of elements, then it is called rooster form of set, right? And rooster form of set can be written in only one method, in only one way, that is writing the elements itself. Now, what is the set builder form of set? Set builder form of set is nothing but writing a set. Set builder form of set is nothing but writing a set by using the characteristic property, right? So writing a set or representing a set using the characteristic property is called the set builder form of set. However, apart from the writing the characteristic property, you may use certain symbols like belongs to, does not belongs to, and you will use colon, and certain operators operator means less than operator, greater than operator, less than or equal to operator, greater than equal to operator, or is equal to operator, like that. You may use operators, you may use certain symbols, and what is important is there will be one common property or one characteristic property. When these things are used and you express a set, then that is called as set builder form of set. In one word, set builder form of set is nothing but a form of set or a representation of set represented using the characteristic property of the elements of the set. And those elements of the set, if you write directly as elements of the set, then that is called Rooster form of set. However, the notation used to write the Rooster form of set and set builder form of set is same. For example, if I say example, set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. I am just taking a very simple example, and this is, what is this called as? This is called as Rooster form of set. This is called as what? Rooster form of set. Now if I want to express this in set builder form of set, then the notation will be same. Flower brackets will be same, but inside you have to write that using a characteristic property. Now what is the characteristic property? They are alphabets? No, they are numbers. Okay. Are the numbers negative? No, they are all positive and they start from 1. So I am sure they are natural numbers. So I will write x, I take a variable x is such that x is a natural number. X is a what? Natural number less than 5. Natural number less than 5. So, don't you feel what are the natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, they are natural numbers, and you write a natural number less than 5, what you get is nothing but Rooster form of set. But it is not necessary that you have to write like this. I can write one more way. A, set A, x is such that x is a natural number less than or equal to 4. Less than or equal to 4. So this is also correct, this is also correct. Means set builder forms can be many, but Rooster form will be only one. That you have to understand. So it was a very simple example for any student to understand what a set builder form is and what a Rooster form is. Let me take one more example to make you understand how a set builder form is. Let me write a Rooster form for you so that in turn you will write the set builder form. For example, I take 3, 6, 9, 12. Right? What form is this? Rooster form. Now what form I am going to write? Set builder form. Now what will be the set builder form of that? I will say x is such that x. See, instead of this symbol, you can also use colon. This is called as colon. X is such that x. How do you read? X is such that x is a multiple of 3 less than 13. So is this correct? X is such that x is a multiple of 3 less than 13. Instead of 13 I can say less than 14. Instead of 14 I can say less than 15. But I cannot say less than 16 because less than 16 means 15 comes in between. So I can write x is such that x is a multiple of 3 less than 13. So that becomes the set builder form, and this is nothing but the Rooster form. I can also take one more example. What will I say? 1, 4, 9, 20, 16, 25 and so on till 100. Now what is this? This is a Rooster form. What will be the set builder form? I will write x is such that x is a square of natural number less than 101. Yes or no? So x is such that x is a square of a natural number. No, that is correct. That is wrong. I will write x is such that x is a square of natural number up to 10. What is 10 square? 100. What is 9 square? 81. What is 1 square? 1. 2 square? 2. So is this correct? So that's how, children, you have Rooster form and you have set builder form. Let me take a very good example. X is such that x is a letter of the word Loyal. Loyal. Now that is the set builder form. For this, how will you write the roster form? Of course, there will be brackets. Letter of the word. Now what is the alphabet? Letter means one alphabet. I will have to take L followed by O. Again I have to write Y followed by A. Again I have L. But since you are writing roster form, in roster form the elements are never repeated. Once you wrote the element, that is final. So that's how you write the roster form for the given set builder form. Let me take one more example. X is such that X is equal to x square is equal to 4 and X is an integer. X is an integer. So the moment I said X is an integer, you have to take what are integers? You have a number line, you have 0, you have 1, you have 2, you have 3, you have -1, you have -2, you have -3. Now which number satisfies the equation? Right. So is -2 satisfying? Yes. -2 whole square is 4. Is -1 satisfying? No. 0 satisfying? No. 1 satisfying? No. 2? Yes, 2 satisfies. So what will be that? -2 comma 2 will be the roster form. The same thing if I write X is such that X square is equal to 4 and X is a natural number. X is a natural number. If I say X is a natural number, then what will be the roster form? Roster form will contain only one element, 2. But because I have used the word integer, -2 will also come over there. So my children, you have to understand this finite, this difference very clearly, the characteristic property very clearly, and go through, then you will be able to write the roster form. There are many numericals given to you in the textbook, so please practice and please try to think. Don't just write the answer and leave it. Is there any possibility of writing some other answer? You have to think in that way. So here when we stop and when we move further, we have got to define different types of sets. So different types of sets I will discuss in the next class. Meanwhile, you understand the concept and practice more and more roster form and set builder form. Thank you, bye bye, and take care.